Office in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central and northern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, eastern Kendall County in northeast Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeast Illinois until 11 o'clock p.m. At 9:55 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from Oswego to Plainfield and moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Naperville and Romeoville around 10:05 p.m. Woodridge and Lamont around 10:10 p.m. Wheaton and Lisle around 10:15 p.m. York Center and Lombard around 10:20 p.m. Miller Park and Addison around 10:25 p.m. North Lake and Elmhurst around 10:30 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Glenbard South, Willowbrook, Oak Brook Terrace, Bridgeview,